Alright guys, I'm going to try to go really fast because there is very little chance of me going through all 25 of these in 2 minutes. So, number one, we start first with a conjunction with the word but. And it means I should look at the preceding verses as well, and it adds a lot of context to this verse. You, who is you, the disciples, will receive. So they will, the verb will receive, being another verb. They will get something. Those disciples will get something. They will receive what? They will receive power. But when the Holy Spirit comes upon you, and who is you? Also the disciples. So these disciples, first of all, will receive the noun, the third person of God, the Holy Spirit. When is this? When the Spirit comes. The Spirit will come upon them, being the disciples. There's a cause and effect. When the Spirit comes upon them, they will receive power. And another conjunction, the word and. So they will receive power and, not then, but and, they will receive the Spirit, power, and you will be, referencing the disciples again. And you will be, being another verb. The disciples, after receiving the Spirit, will be my, meaning Jesus, not anybody else's, but Jesus's, witnesses. What is a witness? The Blue Letter Bible says it is the Hebrew word martus, in this sense meaning one who avers and who can aver what he himself has seen or heard or knows by any other means. Basically, they will witness. They will basically be a record of. They will have a testimony of. So they will be witnesses. So the Spirit will descend upon them, granting power, and thus they will become witnesses to who? To Jerusalem, number 15. Jerusalem, 16, is the holy city, the center of Judaism. 17, who are in Jerusalem? The Jews, the people who also had just had Christ killed. They will be witnesses and testify to those who just killed Christ. Number 18, in all. All means all. That's all means. That's all. That's what I've learned growing up. In all of Jerusalem, not parts of it. In all of Jerusalem, in all of Judea and Samaria, both these two places. That's number 19. Number 20, will witness to all people in Judea, both Jew and Gentile, and all those in Samaria, number 21, who the Jews hated and saw as filth. The disciples will witness to both the people that just killed Christ and the people that hate Christ by default because he is a Jew, and them being Samaritans, while also it being the people that the disciples may not like or deem worthy of Christ themselves, because they are themselves Jews being told to go into Samaria and to share Christ. Number 22, and to the ends of the earth. First of all, we see repeating the word and, gradually getting larger and more encompassing, both geological, number 22, and number 23, ethnical and racial. They will be in all of Jerusalem, all of Judea, all of Samaria, and to the ends of the earth. The ends of the earth, number 24, does not stop in the places that the disciples know of, either good or bad with Judea and Samaria, but even parts unknown to them. The Jewish disciples turned, number 25, the Jewish disciples turned Christian disciples will receive the Spirit and thus power, and will then be witnesses and have to witness that power and testament to both Jew and Gentile everywhere. That was a lot more than 2 minutes. I apologize.